Uh, Good morning, children. Today we are learning this is chapter number 14, Transport and Communication, page number 75. All of you open your textbook, page number 75. So, what is transport and communication? So, what is transport or what is communication? What is communication? Let's learn it. I'll share screen. Can you see, children? Can you see? Okay, I'll share again. Sorry, children. Sorry, children, that network issue was there. Now I will again continue. So, I'll share. So, what is communication then? What is communication, children? The process of sharing information, ideas, and thoughts is communication. In the earlier humans, they used to express themselves by signs, symbols, and pictures. By signs, symbols, and pictures. So there are two types of communication. One is personal communication, another one is mass communication. So personal communication and mass communication. What is personal communication? Personal communication is a communication that between two people. A communication between two people is called personal communication, children. So the process of sharing information and ideas is communication or thoughts. And the types of communication are personal communication and mass communication. So what is personal communication? A communication between two people. And again, what is mass communication? A communication between many people, like a group of people. A communication between group of people is called mass communication. Communication, personal communication. What is personal communication? Example. So you know personal communication. What is personal communication? So now examples of personal communication: postal service, mobile, telegraph, telephones, fax machines, etc. Mass communication: news, TV, radio, internet, internet, and else, all magazines, else. So now one example of personal communication I'll explain here, children. So see it. Post system. Which example is this? For personal communication or for mass communication? Right, personal communication. So postal system is one of the oldest system. Postal system is one of the oldest system. Letters are dropped in post boxes or letter boxes. Letters are collected and sent to post office. Yes, and they are collected by the post box and sent to post office. This is the picture of the post box. Also, there are in one colony they also make a post box where we have to put the letters. And the post office workers take the letters and submit where we have to send that letter. In like this box they will put in house, they will put like this boxes they will put. So again, what next? Post office works through airways, waterways, roadways, and the railways sends a letter. If we want to send state to state, then we have to use railways, children. So now the post office has less members. Some also use now post offices, like bank use post office, they have their own post office, children. They send the, we are getting other card, pan card, like that we are getting, means they send through their post office. They can send their own, or they can send by the and post office. Understood, children? So now we have WhatsApp, mail, etc. Yes, mail, Gmail, etc. So now the post office works less, but some of also takes it, like bank or again. Understood, children? Now next we'll go for telephone. So telephone. This is telephone. 1 minute. I'll minimize, etc. It is. Okay. Okay, children. Alexander Graham Bell invented a telephone in 1876. Alexander Graham Bell invented a telephone in 1876. So telephones are the most common and fastest means of communication. Telephones are most common and fastest means of communication. So in earlier days they were used to telephone. Now we have mobile phones that are able to call, send messages, email, Gmail, internet, that connect to internet, and even we can find location of people just by pressing in settings, just by pressing a button, uh, a location sharing option in settings. We can the who are in our contact, they can see where I am. Understood, children? So which examples are post office and a telephone? Yes, it is example for personal communication. Again, what is radio then? Which example is radio? Yes, it is for mass communication. So Guglielmo Marconi invented radio in 1895. Children, between this telephone and radio. So telephone was invented in 1876 and this is 1895. 1876, between 1895. How much distance is there? Right. So after telephone, the radio was invented. Who invented it? Guglielmo Marconi. Right. Radios tells news, songs, etc. Entertainment. Okay. Now TV has came. Now TV has came and the radio lost its importance. But children still, the students like you, children, are interested to see the radio, listen to radio. Some places they are using still radios where the development, that much development is not happened. Yes. So I understood, children, what is radio. This is also picture of radio. Like this, it will be, I think it is volume, and this is power on. Yes, children, understood. So now onwards it came TV, right? TV. So see, TV. So it is a mass communication. In beginning, a TV showed only black and white pictures. It was invented in 1960. Oh, so there is so gap between radio and TV. There are much. Here it is invented in 18. Year 19. See, so many distance. Long years they have took. Yes, long period of time. So in 1960, the colored TV came to India. In 1960, the colored TV came to India. So black and white, it was came first only. Before 1960, it had came. I think in 18 or 19, we don't know when it was invented. The first when it was invented, I don't know, children. So here, in beginning TV showed only black and white pictures. In 1960, colored TV came to India. Yes, in that we watched news, pictures, cartoons, entertainment, pictures, dance shows, singing shows, all we can see now. So radio and TV are mass communication. Post office and telephone are personal communication, children. Understood now? Okay. This is a TV. But children, the speakers. Now the speakers, we can't see speakers where they are. But in the earliest times, the speaker we can see side only. Understood, children? Okay, there are between that year and now there are so many difference. Yes, children. So in the next class, I'll explain about transport. Okay, bye, children. Study well. Shaking. Bye, children.